guys, welcome back to the channel. We are working on the alternator welder again today. We're going to do a little tweaking on it. As you know, in the last video, the muffler, you can see where it blows right on the alternator, and I said something about getting that fixed. Well, I think I can just flip it, the bolt pattern. I should be able to just put it right back on upside down and have it blow up here and clear the alternator. Anyhow, we're going to work on that and possibly try to get some sort of legs on here and maybe even move this plate because it's a little, I think it's a little twisted this way and they need to twist it back. But we're going to get busy on this thing and start doing a little work and maybe even fire it back up and test it again. Keep watching. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to put the heat shield back on because the heat shield only goes one way. I don't think I'm going to get it. No, it's only going to go one direction. But we can go ahead and get this tightened up in the next case. Also, anytime you're taking steel bolts out of aluminum, try to either, like I normally run the engine first and get it warm so they come out, or put plenty of lube on them. Otherwise, they're real prone to sticking to the aluminum and snapping off in the block or head or whatever you're working on. It's not good. Same thing with tightening, and don't really crank down on them. You'll yank the threads right out of them. And always tighten it back up later if it's loose. See if I can put that cover on here. I'll have to get these wires ran out, put the cover on, and then this is all sealed from the weather. Alright. Here's the cover I was talking about. This is your, I'm assuming this is the regulator inside of here. It's sealed, but that's the cover. And then it's got a place for the two wires to come out. So we're going to go ahead and run those. Alright, found online. There you go. Picture underneath this is the 200 watt. Alright, found a couple of bolts. I really needed two more for there and there, but since that's just kind of a protective cover, I think two will be fine to hold it. Barely. May have to tap the threads out in the alternator. Y'all thought the bolt broke. Alright, that'll work. Dang it, still ain't tight. That'll work. Okay. So now these two wires need to run to the rheostat. You know what? I'm going to take that back off and run them both through this one side, because that's kind of, there's no way to make that look right. Well, that was a miracle, but I actually found another bolt that had a lock washer on it and found the extra lock washer. So, let's get this back on there. And I could put a little rubber grommet there just to 100% seal it from the weather, but I don't really intend on having this little welder out in the direct rain anyhow. Getting a little closer to the goal, my AdSense goal on YouTube. I'm still getting a couple of subscribers a week. I'm up to 625 as of a few minutes ago. I gained another subscriber. My watch hours are remarkably higher than they even need to be. Since the beginning of my channel, I've got over 5,000 hours. In the last 365 days, I've got 4,600 and something hours. So we're doing good there. And like I've always said, I know I'll get to where I need to be. It's just a matter of time. Okay. Next thing I need is a way to mount the rheostat, which the next one I'm getting will be identical to this. It's just a little different rating. So whatever I put here can also work for that one. alternator and make it well. Put this up for something. I have to go put up everything inside bad at all. And it's hot. It's just not too hot. Actually does pretty good. Well, anyways, we're going to keep working on it. For now, I've got to go in the house and get everything ready for my daughter's birthday party, which means I got to put the side-by-side back in here. Make sure everything is turned off and out of the way. Get that. Ooh. Move the old porta welder out of the way. Well, we're not done with it yet. Still got a little bit of stuff to do, and then I might just sell this one on the marketplace and start over and build an even better one. Alright, let's air hose, the heater off. Bring the heater in. And let's get that side by side in here. Definitely not used to this cooler weather. It's quite a change from what it has been. Back on this Polaris too. I still got to put the carrier bearings in it. It makes all kinds of racket backing up. GoPro stuff can stay right there. Alright guys, I'm signing off. Got chores and stuff to do. See y'all later. Thanks for watching.